So Randy got this idea that he wanted to fill a large balloon with hydrogen gas, attach a slow-burning fuse to it, and release it into the sky and have it blow up as it hovered high above. This is his homemade hydrogen generator, by the way. So here's the balloon. We also decided to put some tiny flashing LED lights in it. So he lit the fuse and let it go, but it didn't go quite as planned. The balloon wasn't rising up and just sort of hovered a few feet off the ground. Fortunately, it did finally start to go up. And now it's got a
Get lighter.
And it kept going up. The fuse was burning slower than we had anticipated. Soon we couldn't even see the balloon, and we never heard a boom. So we decided to try it again. This time we only put one LED light in the balloon and shortened the fuse. This balloon took off a lot faster than the last one and rose up quickly. But the fuse was still too long, and we ended up losing track of it again. And we didn't hear the boom we were hoping for. So the next day, we decided to try a different kind of balloon and a much shorter fuse. Unfortunately, the balloon didn't float, so we just had to wait for it to go boom.
Well, it worked. Did you take big?
Next, we tried stringing multiple balloons together, but they still wouldn't float. So we gave up on the Mylar balloons. That night, we filled one last balloon, lit the fuse, and the balloon went behind an area light, so I had to move over so that we could still see it. We still had to do something with the balloons that didn't float.